Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare a Spanish omelet. Tortilla Española, a recipe for my cookbook. I was unaware that the Spanish omelet is an essential breakfast meal in Puerto Rico until I moved to the island. Puerto Rico became a Spanish colony for over 400 years. Therefore, many of our cuisines are due to the Spanish influence. Having the opportunity to live in the United States and Puerto Rico, I noticed that much of the popular Puerto Rican cookery from the island, like the Spanish omelet, is not commonly prepared in the United States. This delicious breakfast dish consists of 4 main ingredients: onion, potato, eggs, and extra virgin olive oil. The Spanish omelet is also round in shape, never folded in half, and the thickness varies. Let's start preparing the Spanish omelet. I love to use a frittata pan to prepare this dish because it has 2 10-inch skillets that interlock, making it easier to invert the omelet from one side to the other. Let's place the bottom skillet on top of induction cooker and pour 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into skillet over low heat. While the oil is heating, let's peel and cut a potato. I normally use 1 medium potato for the omelet, but you can definitely add more potatoes if you want to. Rinse the potato in cold water. And pat dry. Cut the potato into slices lengthwise about 1/2 inch thick. Stack several slices and cut the potato again lengthwise into potato sticks. Cut across to create diced potatoes. We can now add the diced potatoes to the skillet and coat evenly with olive oil. We are ready to peel and cut one medium onion. This is the stem end and the root end. I am going to cut off the stem end and cut the onion in half. I like to remove the outer skin and the first layer of the onion. For each onion half, make lengthwise cuts starting from root end. Rotate onion and cut across to create diced onions. Let's add the onions to the potatoes. Stir to combine the ingredients. Cook until the potatoes are tender and onions become soft. Cover with lid. After 10 minutes of cooking, stir the potatoes and onions to cook them evenly. Cover with lid and continue cooking. Let's take this time to coat the other pan with olive oil, making sure the skillet is coated evenly. By the way, the Italians use the frittata pan to prepare an egg-based Italian dish similar to an omelet or crustless quiche. Set the skillet aside until we are ready to invert the omelet. While the potatoes and onions are still cooking, we can prepare the egg mixture. I placed 6 large eggs into a bowl. Let's add 1/2 teaspoon of light salt or to taste and a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper is optional. Beat eggs with a whisk. After a total of 20 minutes of cooking, let's check if the potatoes are tender. I am going to insert my food tester into a diced potato to check for doneness. Yes, the potatoes are cooked, so we can now add the beaten eggs. Pour the beaten eggs evenly over potatoes and onions. Cook over medium-low heat until the eggs become firm at the bottom of the skillet. It's time to check the omelet after 20 minutes of cooking. If you can move the omelet from side to side, or if you can lift the omelet from the pan, the eggs are firm at the bottom. We can now invert the omelet onto the other pan. Place the topped greased pan over the bottom skillet, making sure both pans are interlocked, and invert the omelet. Cook the other side of omelet until eggs become firm. The omelet is completely cooked after cooking for an additional 15 minutes. Run a knife around the edges to loosen the omelet before sliding onto a large plate. Carefully slide omelet onto plate. After cutting the omelet into quarters, serve the omelet with our baked bread spread with butter, pan de agua, or pan sobao. Don't forget to prepare a strong cup of Puerto Rican coffee. I am ready to taste the Spanish omelet, which reminds me of my teenage years in Puerto Rico, going to restaurants and ordering a Spanish omelet before attending classes. So delicious. Que rico. The combination of the potatoes and eggs is an excellent hearty breakfast meal that will definitely sustain you throughout the day. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare a Spanish omelet, Tortilla Española. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, aidaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.